It's got to go in that notch. Should we talk that? Okay. Alright, we made a dent in the tree, as you can see behind us. We haven't gotten all of it, but we've gotten a little closer here and there. So, and I did a little bit more work over here too on the smaller stuff. So we're just bit by bit trying to clear it out to where we can get to the back field. But right now, we're gonna stop with this and we're gonna swap to another job because we got a little bit more finagling and work to do on the bridge. So
and we're both give out. One of our helpers didn't show up today, so it's just me and him, and I'll be honest with you, I'm just old. So we're gonna switch to an easier job and try to finish the day out. So.
Yeah, so we're gonna swap to something with the bridge and then kind of gathering some equipment. So we're gonna swap to that now. Might grab a couple of logs because I may put them on my turning lathe.
Okay, through the magic of video, I've got the part now. I got a box of them actually. These are, I think we'll try to put a link to this. This was on Amazon, and I think there's 6 of them in here, and it was $5 and something. So if they work, we're good. I don't know. We'll see. That's them right there, little rubber grommet. Let me get some WD-40 and spray them so it'll slide in there easier. Here, we'll use PB Blaster because it's right here by me. Okay, let me spray this. Quick little squirt. And gotta stick it in that hole right there. There we go. That's in the hole. And then the fuel line right there goes right in the hole on top of it, right there. I can get it stuck in. I don't know if I can see what I'm doing here. I gotta get enough pressure to push it in there. Let me see if I can get I need something that let me go get a pry bar because I ain't got enough pressure in my hand. Pry bar here will do it. We'll see. Get right behind it and just push it in. It ain't wanting to cooperate. Let's see. It's tight. It ain't wanting to go in the hole, but let me just keep pushing here. Should be able to get it in there. I'm moving the whole tank. Oops. Shoot. Sorry guys, I just knocked y'all off the table here. Knocked the camera off. It's okay, but I didn't mean to shake everything that bad. I'm having to point my camera straight down and it's got the weight kind of shifted wrong. Let me, hold on a minute, let me redo the legs on my camera here so it won't be so much forward motion on it because I don't want the thing falling again. Make sure y'all still see this. Yeah, you can see, okay, there. You see what I'm doing? I'm pushing that, I got that piece of rubber in there and then I got to push the, the steel piece in behind it, which I don't know. It ain't wanting to cooperate. I may have to pull it back out and try to put a little more lubricant on it or something. Let me try that. See if I can get it a little more. If I mess up, I got 6 more of these to try it with, so that's the only good news. I don't know, this is kind of corroded up and it's not real smooth and it don't want to slide into that rubber piece right there, so maybe I need to just clean that a little bit so that'll slide a little better. Let me go see if I got some emery cloth. Y'all stand by a minute. All right guys, what I did, I'm gonna stick this back in the hole here, and then what I did is I cleaned this up with some emery cloth off camera. I just didn't have the camera on. I mean, y'all seen stuff cleaned up before. I've got it a lot more shiny now, so maybe it'll slide in there a little easier. Let's just see what it does. See if I can get a hold of it here and push it in now. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but we'll try. See, it's almost all the way in. There it is, it went all the way in that time. Boom, that's in there. Now then, there we go. That thing was tight, but that's okay. That makes it work, won't leak. That's the big thing. We don't want it to leak, that's for sure. And I don't think this one's gonna leak right here. I think we're good there. I'm gonna give him a little spray of, let's see if I got some brake cleaner somewhere. I think I do. Yeah, here's some. Get all the diesel fuel off of it so it'll definitely be clean. That way we'll know if it does have a leak. Now we've got a clean working area there. Excuse me, I'm fighting this pollen, y'all. I think everybody is right now. Okay, now, before I start this is a little problem too, is getting down in here to this bolt. And I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's a bolt right down there. I'm gonna hold that light so maybe y'all can see it, that I gotta get my wrench on right there. And it is so, I cannot get it on there. I mean, it's just almost impossible. So I'm gonna go ahead right now and get it, there we go. Get it on there and leave it just like that. That way I can tighten it up when I get this tank back in place. So all right, we're gonna put it back up now and see how she works. So here we go. Okay, we're gonna pull this up. and hold these two pieces over to this side while I stick this tank up here. I don't want any of this falling down in there while I'm trying to do it. I might just sneak over here and borrow me a helper to keep this from happening. Make it easy. All right, I figured out a different way. I'm gonna pull this off to the side like that. And then stand the tank up like this. Get her back down in the hole. Get these two lines up out of the way. There we go. Gotta slide back there pretty good. That ain't no fun, I'm telling you.
You good?
Yeah. Yeah, good. All right, let's see. Get this front of this pulled over in place, like so. There we go. The tank goes down in there. Nope, that bolt came off. That's the problem. There is just not enough room to get that bolt in there. And it jumped off with me while I was trying to move all this. Yep. I need something to hold it. I'm just gonna leave it like it is. It ain't going nowhere. It's just like it was before. That's what I'm gonna do. Somebody else didn't tighten it either because you just literally can't get down in there to the thing. Man, guys, this pollen is killing me. I mean, I can't keep my throat clear enough to talk. So, anyway, go ahead and get this bolt in here. This is what I got here.